Good afternoon. Today we will discuss the concept of web technology. See, in second semester, web technology and Java, these two subjects are very important. If you want to make any coding in your future, so these two subjects are very important. Here, web technology we are using to implement different kinds of project, right? And this is your core subject, Java, web, and one more, that is DBMS subject. Okay, these three subjects are very important in your second semester. So let's see a brief introduction about internet. See, in origins, taking about origins, what happened, right? Have you understood regarding history of internet, everyone? Okay. First network is what? First network, Lina. Okay. Second network, very good. Third network, Kiran. Not internet. Internet is last. ARPANET, BitNet, then CSNet. National Science Foundation, NSF. Okay. Last one is what? Last one is NSF, National Science Foundation. This is introduced to connect 1 million computers around the world. Okay, and this network we can call it as internet, right? Now, what is the internet? Now the term internet, how can you define internet? Internet is a collection of computers. Are you agree about this point? Collection of computers and other devices. Here, Kiran, you understood collection of computers, right? What about other devices? Means what here? I am saying other devices. Yes, mobiles and printers. These are called other devices. Connected by equipment. Equipment means what? Communication media, whether wired or wireless media, right? Allows them to communicate with each other. Communicate with each other means one person want to communicate other person. So communication is happen due to internet. Internet is collection of computers and other devices connected by equipment, allows them to communicate with each other, or we can call in generally network of network is called internet. What do you mean by this network of network? Network, it's implemented in one room. Assume one room and another network, another room. If we combine these two networks, then we can call it as internet. In generally, we can define internet means network of network. We can call it as internet. I hope you clear this concept. Next one is World Wide Web. This is very important in to implementing web applications, right? So the World Wide Web, the Tim Berners-Lee and the others. Sujit, my voice is breaking. No, Kiran, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. Tim Berners-Lee and his group proposed a new protocol for the internet. It's a World Wide Web. It's what a protocol. For Tim Berners-Lee is invented this protocol for the internet, whose intention was to allow scientists around the world to use the internet to exchange documents describing their work. In previous term we have seen only what file transfer and text based communication was happen. So the Tim Berners-Lee, he has also introduced one new protocol, that is internet, whose intention was to what allow the scientists around the world to use internet to exchange their documents. Okay. Now, World Wide Web. The proposed new system was designed to allow a user anywhere on the internet. Internet means you can access any internet through all over the world. You can sit in America or you can sit in India, state wise, district wise, all over world on the internet to search for and retrieve documents from the database on any number of different documents serving computers. Retrieve documents means what? Here search OK and retrieve documents. Kiran, what do you mean by this? Retrieve documents. Not backup. Retrieve. You are browsing, suppose you want to see your result, right? So you just type your USN, then click on search, then automatically what will happen, your USN, it will going to fetch and display the contents what inside their result. That is called retrieve documents. From where? From the database. Understood this? Okay. And these documents can be accessed by web browsers and are provided by web servers. Here you have to understand, in web technology two concepts are very important: web browser and web server. Web browser, what will happen, can be accessed by web browsers and are provided by web servers. Okay. Kiran, what is the time now? Tell. Okay, 12:20. See, Kiran is a web server. I am a web browser. I am requesting to Kiran to display the time or tell the time. So Kiran act as a server and I am act as a browser. Browser job is request to the server. Server job is response to that particular request. This is what we can say, browser and servers, right? Or we can call web clients and web servers. These browsers are installed in computers. Through that only we will going to request to the servers. Okay. Now, web or internet. Difference between these two terms, web or internet. Internet and web both are not same here. Web is a collection of software and protocols What do you mean by protocols? Software you know little bit, but what do you mean by protocols here? Sujit? What do you mean by protocol? You have studied in computer network, right? Soumya? Set up rules. Okay, very good. It's a set up rules that you are going to provide, that we can call protocol. It has their own standard rules and regulations. For example, today you are attending web technology class. It's a protocol. In this protocol, what we are, I have to also log in, you have to also log in and clear the concept. This is called what? Protocol. Same way we can apply this into network that has been installed on most, if not all, of the computers on the internet. So web is different and internet is different. Now, web page. What do you mean by web page? See, I have displayed here Angadi Institute of Technology and Management Wikipedia web page. Okay, web page is a document. Are you agree about this? It's a document available on World Wide Web, means entire world. Web pages are stored on web server. These web page stored on where? Web server, and can be viewed using web browser. This is a concept. Okay, web page, where it will store? It is stored on web server, can be viewed. How we can view? Based on web browser. Web page can contain large information. See, so many informations are there in this web page. It includes text, graphics, audio, video and hyperlinks. These all information will going to store in our web page. Understood this? Reply anyone? Okay. Tell me. Understood? Okay. Next one is web page. You understood? Web browser you understood? Web server is over. Now I am displaying something here. What it is? Anyone guess? Can you guess anything regarding this slide? I have displayed one slide. It is called website. This is called what? Website. Website means what? A collection of linked web pages on web server is known as website. Web page is stored on where? Web server, but more than one web pages we can call it as website. See, in our website there are so many web pages. Home web page, about us, home page, web page, admission, academics, research, training, knowledge center, contact us. So these all are what? Different kinds of web pages. So collection of web pages linked, then we have to store it on where? Web server. So this is about website. There is unique uniform resource locator is associated with each web page. Here how this web page will associated? Based on URL, that is unique. URL is unique, uniform resource locator. URL means uniform resource locator. We'll talk about URL later. Okay, now you understood web page, website, web browser and web server. I hope you cleared these doubts. Now one more concept, that is search engine. Do you aware about search engine? Lina, do you know about a search engine? Ria, online. Ria, can you tell me a search engine? The different types of search engines. Have you seen these search engines? Okay. Soumya? Okay. These all are web browsers, not search engines. Soumya? Soumya? Sumaya? Search engine. Can you tell me any two search engines? Yes. Yeah. Go ahead. Yahoo and Google. Okay. Bing and Baidu. These all are what? Different types of search engines, right? Google is a search engine. In this you are searching, right? So Google, then Yahoo. These are most commonly used search engines. Okay, here it is online answering machine. Are you agree? Online answering machine, which is used to search, understand and organize contents result in database based on the search keywords inserted by the end users. End users means we all are end users who are you accessing the internet, that we can call end users. So online answering machine, these all are online answering machine. The process of organizing content in the form of list is commonly known as search engine result page. After searching, that we can call search engine result page. This is what? Search engine result page. This we can call search engine result page. Now, this is about regarding introduction of web technology. Now we will start. Module 1 has these concepts. One is web browser, web server, MIME, URL, HTTP, then introduction to HTML5 tags, syntax and structure, text markups, images, list, tables. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, now from module 1 it has this concept. So we'll see what do you mean by web browser. From these concepts you will have one theory question and remaining is text. These all are fixed questions in your external exam. So see, web browser. Browser is an application software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. It's an application software. Okay, in this application software users can view and explore the information on web. User can request for any web page by just entering URL. We'll see later what do you mean by URL, right? Into address bar. URL into address bar means, see here, see, this is my Google Chrome web browser. This is what? Google Chrome web browser. Here I am typing AITM. This is called URL, right? So after pressing this, what will happen? Gives the result page. Okay, Angadi Institute of Technology and Belagavi. Okay, through the web browser we can insert URL. See, this is URL, unique URL. Only one URL is present. Okay, not same, only unique. It is called URL, right? User can request for any web page by just entering URL. Now I have simply typed AITM. They are called web browsers because they allow the users to browse the resources available on the servers. Now I have typed AITM, so through that AITM I can access the AITM website, right? Or browse the resources available on servers. This is about web browsers. And web browsers can show text file, audio file, video and animation and so on. Text file also will display audio, video, animation and so on. Mosaic was the first browser with graphical user interface. The first web browser is what? Mosaic, introduced first time. Then examples of web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Opera. These all are web browsers. I hope you clear these doubts. What do you mean by web browser and web servers and search engines? You have to aware about these concepts, right? Kiran, understood this concept? Okay. Now we'll see web server. What do you mean by web server? Server is a software and hardware that uses HTTP protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol and other protocols to respond to client requests made over the World Wide Web. Here this one is what? A client and this one is server. So I want to display a cat image, so just I will type cat. It will go to server, then server will respond for this particular request, then it will display the result on your browser, right? Request and response page, like that. So web server is a software and hardware. We can also Kiran, can we make our laptop as a server? Is it possible? Is it possible? Our servers are different. Servers are different and our laptops are different, right? Sujit, what is your opinion? Sumaya? Sumaya? Lina? Sir, laptops, can we make laptop as a server or servers are different? Different. Okay. Priya, servers are different, or laptops, or laptop can be make servers? Servers are different. Okay, all you are agree about this, servers are different. See, servers are not different. We can make our own laptop as a server. We can make our own computer as a server, right? But the one thing is 24 hours it has to on. That is the difference between main servers and our personal laptop or computers. You can also make your own laptop as a server. Understood now, everyone? Servers are not different. In small organization, they will make one small laptop or computer as a server. In big organizations like Google, YouTube, in these what will happen? These will make a big servers. That is hard, only it will make server part only. That is big servers. Okay, if you have small organization, you can build your laptop as a server. Okay, servers, understood what? Server respond to client request. Server response to client request is called web server. Understood, everyone? Reply. Okay. The main job of web server is to display website content through storing, processing and delivering web pages to users. For example, here one person using internet, then he needs some information, or he needs he wants to buy purchase online, any online purchase. So what will happen? He access that website by typing that URL in web browser. After web browser, what will happen? It will going to connect to particular web server. That web server will respond back to the client. Then it will display based on his request. He wants display the result. So what will happen? This URL will goes to video server. Video server think he is asking result page, so I have to give a result page. So it will respond back to this client, and here it will display the results. So display website content through how? Storing, processing and delivering. Storing means if you want to update your database into particular server, so you can update. It means storing. Then processing means calculation part. For example, your answer script evaluation, in that they will only enter your marks, different faculty. After entering that marks, it will going to attach your main result sheet. From that result sheet you will get the all subject marks. That is called processing. Then delivering means when you search that particular result, it will deliver to your browser. That is called delivering. Okay, web pages to users. This is a process what we have in web servers. Now, web browser opens a network connection to web server and sends information request and possibly data to the server. Request means data to the server. Receives information from the server and close the connection. See what will happen when user request to the server. Server will respond back to the client. Here only you have see these two diagrams, not this. These are a different concept. Only you have to consider this and client and web server, right? The primary task of web server is to monitor communication port on host machine. Host machine means what here? Host machine and server. What is the difference between host machine and server? Sujit. Sujit. Difference between host machine and server. What is the difference? Difference between host machine and server. Kiran. Difference between host machine and server. Server is a software. Okay. So both are different. Okay. See, server and host machine both are same. There is no difference. Host a machine means your own laptop you are making as a server. Means you are hosting your website in that laptop. It becomes as a server. That is called host machine. Understood this, Kiran? Okay. Host machine and server both are same meaning, right? When if you are server means what? How to make server? If you are hosting any website from that machine, you can call host machine. Then that you can also call server. Examples of these web servers are, we have different kinds of servers. Among those, I have mentioned 3 servers. One is Apache server, another one is Microsoft Internet Information Service, that is IIS, then Nginx. These most people they are using Apache server. Then some standard organizations they are using Nginx. This is a server. Then IIS. Commonly they are using these 3 servers. Okay. Apache server you can install. Then Microsoft Internet Information Service, by default it is there in your Windows operating system. Then Nginx, it is very compatible with Ubuntu Windows operating system, Ubuntu, Linux, Red Hat. Most companies they are using Nginx server, right? Understood this? Servers are what are the servers, Lina? Web servers. Examples of web servers. Next, IIS, Nginx, Nginx, not Nginx, Nginx. Okay, these all are web servers. Can you name web browsers? What are those web browsers? Explorer, Firefox, then Google Chrome. Okay, Opera, done. The next concept is, have you understood this web browser and web server? Because these all are from your first module, web browser and web server. Any doubts in that concept? No. Okay, shall I move to next one? Sumaya, Sumaya, are you understanding? Simply don't say yes. If you are not understanding anything, please ask me, okay? Soumya, understood this concept, web browser and web server? Okay. Can you tell me search engines? Any two search engines? Google and Yahoo. Okay, fine. Now the next concept is MIME. MIME stands for Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extension. It's what multi-purpose internet mail extension. The server system, apart from sending the request document, it will also send MIME information. So this MIME is what will happen. Server system, apart from sending the request document, it will also send MIME information. When you are accessing any web page, it will also send MIME information. So what do you mean by MIME? MIME information is used only by web browser for rendering the document properly. Here rendering means what? Kiran, what is the meaning of this rendering the document properly? Rendering means what? What you are understanding this word rendering? See, this is a technical term. Rendering means if you access any website in your mobile phone or laptop, so that page should be displayed properly. That is called rendering. In your proper window size format, it has to display properly. That is called rendering. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೇಜ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ದಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಂಡರಿಂಗ್. Now you understood, Kiran? Okay. The format of MIME is type and subtype. This format is what? Type and subtype. So type means what? For example, here I am using text. It is responsible for HTML. ಯಾವ ಫೈಲು? It is HTML file. Text, if you want to download any web pages, any documents, any notes, that notes belongs to either PDF or document, right? So text or document. Suppose if you want to download or upload any image, so image type is what? Image. Then subtype, its extension JPEG or JPEG and PNG format, right? Then video, if it is video, it subtype is what? MPEG, 3GP, so on, right? These all are belongs to MIME. When your page is displaying properly, it has also sent the link type and its subtype. Means text or HTML, text, document, image, or image means which type of image, I mean format, JPEG format. Then video means MPEG or 3GP and so on. This is regarding about MIME. When the type is either text or image, the browser renders the document without any problem. However, if the type is video or audio, it cannot render the document. It has to take the help of other software like Media Player, Winamp, and etc. Suppose what will happen in this concept, if you type text or image, browser renders the document without any problem. Suppose if you type video or audio, it cannot render the document because it need, if you search the video, it needs video player. If you type audio or you want to access the audio file, so it needs media player, right? So these softwares are called helper application, or we can say plugins. I have understood this concept what we have discussed in this slide only. Software like media player, Winamp, like this. What is the meaning for this? Soumya, have you understood this slide? I have told plugins and helper okay. See what will happen in your first time. You bought one laptop, then installed operating system, then accessing your YouTube videos. First time accessing your YouTube videos. After typing YouTube playlist will open. When you play that particular clip, it will ask add extension media player to play this video. There is no proper format, like that it will ask. So that is called what? Plugins for your softwares. Plugins ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆ ಪ್ಲಗಿನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, like this message you will get. To play proper way, so you have to install plugins. These plugins, it's based on what? MIME, multi-purpose internet mail extension. The list of, understood Soumya now? Okay. The list of MIME specification is stored in configuration file of web server. This MIME configuration is stored on where? Your config file of web server. I will show in next classes how this MIME configuration file is located on web server. By demo only I will show you, right? After that you will come to understand detail. This MIME type file we have to attach whether text or document, whether text or HTML, like that we have to write. Then this file should be stored it on our project folder. In that project folder there is one option, that is configuration file. In that location we have to located this MIME. Later I will show you that thing. These are the extensions of MIME. If you are using file extension .txt, it is text or plain, so we can call plain text. If you are using file extension .stm and html, so it is based on text, then subtype is html, then styled text in html format. If you are using image extension is what? .jpg, so type is image, subtype is jpeg, picture in jpeg format. If you are using zip is belongs to image, so subtype is zip, then picture in zip format. If you are using .wav, these all are audio files. mp3, these all are also audio files. Then video files mpg, right? So this is about MIME type. You can write these information in your external exam regarding MIME. Now the concept is, URL. What do you mean by URL? Uniform resource locator. We have to type in our where we have to type this address. Kiran, URL where we have to type. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು URL? ಸರ್ಚ್ ಬಾರ್ or web browser address bar. Web browser address bar. See here, only we have to type URL in this location. This is web browser address bar. Is that clear? You can type related keywords in search engine, but URL you have to type in address bar, then only directly it will going to access that web page. If you type a keyword in search engine, it will take another step to access that web page. So if you type URL directly on web browser, it will directly go visit to that website. Uniform resource locator. Every document on web has unique address. Every document has where on the web has unique address. Only one address will present. This address is known as uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator. So unique address means what here? Unique address. Sujit, unique address means what here? Why we can call URL as unique address? ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು? ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ URL? ಇವಾಗ ಸುಜಿತ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಸುಜಿತ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸುಜಿತ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸುಜಿತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಸುಜಿತ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ address is required, that is unique address. That unique address you can call it as uniform resource locator. Okay, now it is the fundamental network identification for any resource connected to the web. Network identification, for this purpose we are using URL. For mobile contact we are using numbers. For person contact we are using name. Similarly, to identify the network or a website, we have to use URL, uniform resource locator. It may contain hypertext, pages, images and sound files and audio files that URL contains. The general format of URL is, here we are two parts. One is scheme and object address. Scheme and object address. What is the meaning for this? It's a standard syntax of URL. So scheme and object address. Scheme is nothing but your HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Then object address means www.vtu.ac.in, then result.php. This we can call object address and this we can call scheme in the URL. The scheme indicates protocols being used. Here protocol HTTP. Then the above URL contains protocol, host or domain, path of the resources. Protocol, which protocol we are using in here? HTTP. Then host or domain. which host www.vtu.ac.in. This is called host or domain name. Then path of the resources means you are accessing the result page, so you have to give that file name as a result. So that is the path of resources. Available source we can call resources. That name is what? /results.php. So this URL contains these parts, right? Now Kiran, see http://www.vtu.ac.in ಇದಿಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು. www.vtu.ac.in ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? STTP ಹೌದಾ? ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ? www.vtu.ac.in. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಹಾಂ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? AC.in. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲು, ಹೋಸ್ಟು, ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಳು. You forget about this results.php. You forget this keyword. Only consider this HTTP www. Protocol is HTTP. Host. Okay, done. Next, coming to these three. Host or domain ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? AC.in. Okay, then path of the resource ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ? path of the resource. I told to forget about results.php. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ? path of the resource. How can you tell path of the resource? ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? results.php ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ www.vtu.ac.in ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ results.php. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಪಾತ್ ಇನ್ URL ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ path to file because URL need not include all direct. Shall I continue next class or today only can I finish this? All of you answer. Sujit, next class, are you feeling bored? Okay, tomorrow I will continue this class. Okay. Thank you.